Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and which launcher you're using. This matters because menus differ. Once done, back up your home layout. Many launchers include export or cloud sync, and that prevents loss. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, and tap Home App to select or inspect the current launcher. This first action gets you into the system-level controls so you can safely change behavior without breaking shortcuts or gestures. You now dive into the launcher's own settings, long press the home screen, or launch the app settings entry. Here adjust the home grid and icon size to fit more apps, and configure the dock and folder appearance so your workflow is clear. Next, set gesture shortcuts and assign actions for swipe, double tap, or pinch. This speeds navigation. Also tune animations and the app drawer style to balance speed versus polish. Make sure notification dots are enabled if you rely on them. You finish by applying changes and testing everything. Open the drawer, trigger gestures, move icons, and ensure widgets behave. Once satisfied, set the launcher as default when prompted so the system uses it consistently. If you encounter lag or crashes, clear the launcher's cache and app info and reboot. This often resolves temporary glitches. If stability still fails, restore your exported layout or reinstall the launcher to return to a clean state. This preserves work and fixes persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.